और आपको बता दें कि 4 सिटिंग जज इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं। क्या कुछ कह रहे हैं वो सीधे आपको सुनाते हैं, वही लिए चलते हैं।
Take this decision to call for a press conference. But sometime the administration of the Supreme Court is not in order. There are many things which are less than desirable which have happened in the last few months. Time and again, as senior members of the court, it goes without saying that we are the senior most judges of the country also by virtue of age and our office today, senior judges. We thought we owed a responsibility to the institution, to the nation. We tried to collectively persuade the Chief Justice that certain things are not in order, therefore he should take remedial measures. Unfortunately, our efforts failed. And my dear friends, we are all, 4 of us are convinced that unless this institution is preserved and it maintains its equanimity, the democracy will not survive in this country or any country. For the survival of a democracy, it is said, the hallmark of a good democracy is an independent and impartial judge. The judge is symbolic here, is the institution. Judge, the statement, but judge in the context means the judiciary. Now, well, anyway, a lot of things have been published in the press, pro, contrary, whatever it is. We are not entering a regular, it's not a political meeting where we go into all this controversy. But since all our efforts failed, even this morning on a particular issue, 4 of us went and met the Honorable the Chief Justice of India with a specific request, which we could not unfortunately convince him that we were right and the appropriate decision is to be taken. We couldn't convince him. Therefore, we were left with no choice except to communicate it to the nation that please take care of the institution and take care of the nation, because we have heard a lot of wise men talking in this country earlier. I don't want another 20 years later some very wise man in this country blame that Chalameshwar, Ranjan Gogoi, Madan Lokur and Kurian Joseph sold their souls. They didn't take care of this institution. They didn't take care of the interests of this nation. We don't want it to be set. So we place it before the people of this country. That's all, gentlemen, we wanted to inform you.
Sir, what are the instances you said?
Sir, what kind of issues?
So what can be done to preserve the integrity of the institution?
It's a press conference.
It's a quick point, just don't, please.
We are interested in the institution.
No.
We'll talk to you separately. It's a press. We wanted.
So what are the issues?
What happened this morning, sir?
See,
Can you give some instances?
You say wrong.
I will tell you something. About a couple of months back, exact date and all we'll give, 4 of us gave a signed letter to the Chief Justice of India. We'll give copies of that letter. You can cut out from the letter what exactly happened. And we wanted a particular thing to be done in a particular manner. The thing was done in a particular, thing was done, but in such a way that it left too many questions, it raised further questions and further doubts about the integrity of the institution. That's what we believe. And many more things happened. So, and this morning also we had to go on something like this.
Sir, the contradiction.
In a few minutes, don't overhear us.
No, sir, we are not over here. We are very busy typing.
What happened this morning, sir?
Sorry.
What happened this morning, sir?
We 4 of us went, made a request.
Sir, could you please be a little louder?
4 of us went, met the Chief Justice of India, made a request that a particular thing is not in order, therefore it should be rectified. In spite of 4 colleagues, senior most colleagues of the country, of the Chief Justice and senior most judges of this country requested, the Honorable Chief Justice thought You are
Is
not
it Justice
right.
Loya's case?
What was that issue, sir?
What is that issue, sir, you went with?
Why are you forced to maintain secrecy
Is
even
it
now?
Justice Loya's case?
sorry,
That's
sorry.
Why the secrecy even now? Why don't you speak out? What is it?
No, but the reason is this. Reason is this. See, everybody knows everything. Well, see, I'll tell you something. See, look here, we are not regular. We are not running politics here. And then, you know, somebody making a statement, somebody contradicting it tomorrow.
But sir,
all
then
this
it leaves a lot of things to speculation, and it's just better to take this out for the debate.
All right, we'll tell you. Once you look at the letter, you will know what exactly the complaint which you are making. We'll just give you a copy of the letter.
There is no speculation here. We are going to give you a copy of a letter which we had written 2 months back. All the issues are spelled out there. Go through that letter, you will know what the issues are. Do we have to repeat those issues again?
Sir, and
But today morning,
according to
sir,
what
you
are
met, is there any specific issue? Is
It
it Justice Loya's?
it is an issue of assignment of a case, which is an issue raised in that letter.
So was the today? This is about lawyers thing.
Is it about lawyer?
Yes. Sir, may I ask you a question, please?
Sir, according to you, what are the remedies now?
One.
Do you want the Chief Justice to be impeached?
Sir, we are not saying anything. Let the nation decide. We are nobody's to decide.
Beyond this,
Sir, may I ask you a question, please? Do you believe that there is interference by the executive? It's a critical question for the institution. If the institution has to survive, then we need no interference from the executive. Is there any interference? Please let us know if there is any interference from the executive with the judiciary. I need an answer to this question. No,
you
don't need answer. I do.
I think I think whatever Justice Chalameshwar has told you is the whole of it. It's a discharge of a debt to the nation that has brought us here. And we think that we have discharged a debt to the nation by telling you what is what.
So you also
More
have to,
is there in the letter. Beyond this, I don't think there is any other issue
so what
we need to
happens
address.
forward? How is the cause taken forward? That's a big question.
Sir,
How
one
do you
small
take it
thing.
forward,
Where is
sir?
the letter?
I'll just get it in a minute.
Just
Can you, Verma?
So, you know, there is a small practical problem, sir. Sir, there is a small practical problem. Right now, nation is watching you. And if you know, the Xerox and everything, photocopying takes time, it would be further speculation. So, you have said one of the issue was Judge Loya's death. If you could spell out other issues. Manish, I'm asking a question, don't interfere.
One copy is good.
Yeah. Verma?
It's in my car.
That would be better, sir. One copy.
Just give me 1 minute. We are getting there. Just give us 1 minute.
Sir, one question. That 4 judges, senior most judges of the Supreme Court coming together, organizing a press conference. It is seen as 4 judges breaking the ranks. Do you think that from here on, the administration of the Supreme Court would go on in a routine and in a harmonious manner?
Yeah, right. Nobody is breaking ranks. Nobody is breaking ranks. Nobody.
Sir, what do you think is the remedy now?
So all of
Sir, and
this
are you
boils down
speaking
to
for
more
the rest of the
transparency
court
in
as
the
well? There are
working of
4
the
of you here.
judiciary and
We
the
are
collegium
speaking for
process.
ourselves. We are not consulted. Since we 4 we are in the senior most 4. We discussed. Since we 4 went in the morning, we are speaking for ourselves. We didn't discuss it with anybody else.
Sir, is this a kind of no confidence against the Chief Justice?
Sir, don't put words into
No, just asking, you know, since you people have come out and...
Sir, what are the issues you are seeking redressal for, sir?
Sir, if you could read one paragraph of that letter.
Okay, we'll make copies in 2 minutes.
Ma'am.
I'll just read one of it.
Sir, a little loudly.
Now, my dear friends, we have 1 copy of the letter. We need to take copies of it. Just wait for 10 minutes. We'll give copies to.
If you could read 2 lines out.
Just give us 10 minutes. We'll get.
Let them make copies here. Let them make copies.
In the meantime, could you read out a few points from the letter?
Copies have to be made in the meantime. How will you start it?
You make copies and I send it to the government.
Just be careful.
I think it's about that.
What will you do now, sir? What is the next step? What is the next
What is the next step? So tomorrow is Saturday, and day after tomorrow is Sunday. Monday we will go to the court and decide cases.
Sir, is this about the composition of the constitution benches also?
Sorry?
Is it about the composition of the constitution benches also? Senior judges are not included. That is one of the
You
grievances.
read the letter, you will get answers to all these questions.
So just a
we
two-part
have
question.
Huh?
Can we construe this one as a sign of protest, and two, now what is expected of the chief?
Well, that's what we failed. We failed.
It is not, you may construe it as a sign of our responsibility to the nation and nothing more. I think we have answered all and we have made ourselves very clear. There is nothing further to say.
The president also. Sir,
Of course, we'll go. Why not?
the president also.
So